Wealthsimple Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Wealthsimple is a leading Canadian robo-advisor offering automated investment service designed for both novice and seasoned investors. It is provide diverse portfolios composed of low-cost ETFs, automatic rebalancing, and social response investment option. And here are the key features about this platform, which is automated investment, social responsible investing, and also tax loss investing. Tax loss harvesting for accounts over $100,000. Wealthsimple provide tax loss harvesting to optimize after tax return, and also they also offer portfolios focused on the companies with positive environmental and social impact. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So they are a user-friendly platform with intuitive interface and suitable for beginners. No account minimums, so accessible to investors without significant initial capital. And also they have a comprehensive financial tools. And here's the downside, which is the management fee, which goes around 0.5%, which is annual management fee for portfolios under $100,000, and also a limited customization. So investment options are primarily combined to pre-asset and ETFs portfolios, offering a limited individual customization. And here overall about this platform. Wealthsimple is a robust option for those seeking automated investment management with a focus on simplicity and social responsible investing. However, investors should consider the management fee relative to other robo-advisor and assessing whether the platform service align with their individual investment needs.